Hi everyone, I'm Suman from WonderTree and here's a quick tutorial on how to get started with Wonder Games. After signing in, you will be prompted to switch on your camera. The camera is solely used for the purpose of tracking your body part movement to generate accurate reports. So please make sure to click Allow in order to play your Wonder Games. Alright, so now I can see all of the games that are offered by WonderTree. These are called Wonder Games. On the right, you can see all the devices that you need in order to play, which is a laptop, a webcam, and good Wi-Fi connection. You can also note that you have to be at least 4 feet away from your device at the time of gameplay, and that's so your body movement can be read more accurately for your reports. Let's scroll through the games and find one we want to play. And I think Scoop D is going to be a good option. You can also learn more about the games by simply clicking Learn More over here. And for now, let's start. So while the game loads up, I wanted to assure you all that we are ISO 27001 compliant and that we follow all privacy policy guidelines. No amount of data is stored with us for personal use. Instead, everything is used to generate more accurate reports for you. Alright, we're in. So while the game powers up, I would encourage you to enable your webcam device. The only reason we use a webcam in the first place is so that your body language movements and your gestures are able to be read more accurately to generate better reports that you can use for more targeted approach. We're in the game. Let's play. You can pick your level according to reports. Let's go for 1. So all games start with their own tutorials. I would encourage you to watch them in your own time, but we can skip it for now, I think. Alright, so make sure to follow the steps for this game. Because this game is encouraging you to catch ice cream scoops, you want to grab the cone. And you want to move that cone around in order to catch the scoops. And make sure to stay 4 feet away from your screen at the time. So that's me. So let's grab the ice cream cone, and we want to start catching ice cream scoops. The more scoops that you catch, the faster you're able to level up. Also notice that the only reason the webcam is being used is to read your body movement, to generate more accurate reports. But what are these reports I keep talking about? Let's look at them. Let's exit the game and click on Reports on the left side of our screen. Here is an overview as to how detailed WonderTree reports are. We're measuring up to 6 new parameters, including balance, agility, and focus, based solely on your gameplay. And you can also now track body part movement and track weak spots for more targeted approaches. But that's all from me today. Please reach out to us if you have any other concerns, but for now, happy playing! Bye!